This is how you resolve a conflict in GitHub. So I'm on this pull request here, and I see this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. GitHub won't let me click on this button, so I need to, it says use the command line to resolve conflicts before continuing. I can also do this in GitHub Desktop, so I'm going to do that instead of the command line. So if I click on this issue, I just copied it, and I'll go to GitHub Desktop, and I'll go to the Mondo repository. I'm going to just fetch the origin to get the most up-to-date version of Mondo. I'm going to paste in the issue, the name of the branch. So I'm on that branch now. So now I need to do branch update from master. So that'll take a second. And now it says there's one conflict, and it offers for me to open this in Sublime Text. So I'll click that button. Now I'll look at this file. So here's the obo mondo-edit obo file. So I'm going to search for the conflict, and I'm going to search for it by searching for these little hashes things. And this often happens when you add a new term and then you add another new term. The terms will get out of order. So you can see this is number 27. This one's ending in number 29. Looks like there probably isn't 28. So these are actually in order, but somehow I'll just look and see if there's a 28. No. Somehow these got kind of confused. So I just need to put this back in the right place. So this text should just go under here, term, and then this deleted the term tag above the 29. So I'll just delete that and then get rid of all these little hashes that were inserted. And then I'm going to save. So yeah, so now there's this new term, 29, 27, 29, there's no 28. I will save this just by doing Command S. And then I'm going to open this in Protege. And when it asks if you want to reload, say no, and just open a new file. And this will take a second. So I want to reopen this, then do a save as, just to make sure that, one thing I want to open this just to make sure the file opens, because if there was any mistakes, the file wouldn't open. And then I also want to do a save as, just to make sure that all the serialization is correct. So now this is going to open. I'm just going to check these terms, make sure they look, oops, wrong place. Make sure they look okay. So let's look at restricted pulmonary disease. Just make sure that everything's where I expect it to be. This one looks fine. Let's check the other one too. Looks fine. I'm going to do save as obo format, and then I'm going to save it as mondo-edit.obo, save, replace. And now when I go back to GitHub Desktop, once this is saved, it should show me that my conflicts are resolved. So then I just do continue merge and then push origin. And sometimes you'll see a lot of changes there. And that's all. So then you go back to your GitHub Desktop, and it should start running again, checking the checks. So wait for the build to pass, and then you're done.